duper exciting video because today's video is gonna be a giveaway video. So you're gonna be winning 4 amazing goodies and I'm gonna be showing them to you right now. You're gonna be winning a Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. This is makeup. This is the gel that you put on your eyebrows. So instead of having to go in with a pencil and filling in your eyebrows, you just gotta swipe it on your eyebrows and boom, you got perfect eyebrows. You're gonna be winning a Benefit Cosmetics Pore Primer, the Pore Professional. This is makeup for your pores, so you put this on before your foundation and then it fills in your pores, and that way whenever you put on foundation on top, your pores aren't noticeable through the foundation. So you don't even have to put on makeup if you just want to fill in your pores. You could just put this on, and since it doesn't have a color, it's translucent clear. No one's going to be able to tell that you put this on your face. You're going to be winning a Bastia Cleansing Oil Gel. This is for your face. It's an antioxidant-packed cleansing oil gel formulated to remove impurities and makeup while protecting the skin's moisture barrier. You just gotta apply it to damp skin and gently massage it onto your face in a circular motion. And last, you're gonna be winning a Promise by Unica Salon Professional Cleanser. Last but never least, this is for your hair. It says apply to wet hair and massage into hair and scalp. Allow the rich lather to enrich your hair for 3 minutes prior to rinsing. Going on to the rules portion of this video on how to enter the giveaway, you're going to need to subscribe down below. Please hit that red subscribe button and then hit that post notification bell button right next to the gray subscribe button. Once the subscribe button is gray, that means that you are subscribed, and hit that post notification bell button right next to the subscribe button so that way you're notified as soon as I upload the video announcing the winner. So if you win, you're going to be the first one to know. In the comment section down below, I'm going to need you to comment your email address so that way if you win, I'm able to contact you directly, and I'm going to be contacting you to ask you for your home address so that way I'm able to send you your giveaway gift directly to your house as soon as possible. In the same comment where you commented your email address, please share with us your favorite Bible verse and what's your favorite thing about your country. For example, my favorite Bible verse is Philippians 4:13, and my favorite thing about where I live is that I live in Orlando, so my city is very touristic. So every weekend I'm always doing something really fun, really adventurous, because I literally live like 15 minutes away from Disney and Universal. So I have all the theme parks, and then here in Florida, we're surrounded by the ocean, so there's beaches everywhere you go. I just love the tourism and I love the city vibes to it. I will be uploading the video announcing the giveaway winner on December 17, 2021. So you have until December 16 of 2021 to participate. So exactly 1 month from today, I will be uploading the giveaway winner. So stay tuned. So save the date on your calendar and be on top of my uploads that day, because that is the day that I will be announcing the giveaway winner. So I'll see you very, very soon, my Mermainicorn, if God permits. Have a God blessed day. Bye.